Immune system is a network of tissues, cells and organs that defends the body from infections. There's no single formula that can boost your immune system. A healthy lifestyle and habits can boost your immune system. Regular exercise and eating healthy are some of those. Here are some great foods that would boost your immune system. Button mushroom. This delicious mushroom is cultivated and consumed worldwide. It's rich in selenium, copper, phosphorus and zinc. Selenium is great for integrity of liver and heart tissues. It is great source of B complex group of vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6 and vitamin B2. Watermelon. Watermelon is rich in vitamin A and lycopene, which are natural antioxidants. Vitamin A is a must for healthy vision and immunity. It also carries a great amount of vitamin B6, vitamin B1, vitamin C and manganese. Sweet potato. It's an awesome source of flavonoid, phenolic compounds like beta-carotene and vitamin A. Flavonoids protect us from lung and oral cavity cancers. It is also rich in vitamin B5, vitamin B6 and vitamin B1. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C, which is necessary for fighting against free radicals. It boosts your immune system with a large dose of beta-carotene. Minerals like zinc and selenium further act to bolster body defense mechanism. Garlic. Whole garlic carries a compound called allicin. When garlic is crushed or chewed, this compound turns into allicin. Allicin is unstable, so it quickly converts to other chemicals which give garlic its medicinal properties. Aged garlic extract has significant biological effect in immune system improvement. Ginger. Ginger has been in use since early civilization for its anti-inflammatory, anti-flatulent and antibacterial properties. It carries many vitamins like vitamin B6 and vitamin B5. It is also rich in minerals like potassium, manganese, copper and magnesium. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits include lemon, orange, pomelo, tangerine and grapefruit. It's a rich source of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps our body develop resistance against infectious agents and fight against harmful free radicals. These are also good source of vitamin A, vitamin B complex. Papaya. Papaya is an excellent source of antioxidants and phytonutrients. These protect the body from possible heart diseases and cancer. Papaya is great for the growth of body tissues. It helps in maintaining collagen, the structural protein of connective tissues. Turmeric. Curcumin is an active polyphenol in turmeric. It's an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial. Turmeric boosts your immunity against respiratory tract viruses, including flu viruses. It protects your body from infectious diseases, high blood pressure, stroke and cancer. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, antioxidants and flavonoids that bolster our immune system. These also protect us against flu virus. Green tea helps in lowering LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol. It's great for healthy heart and normal brain function. So, for a strong immune system, eat these fruits, vegetables that we have mentioned, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, maintain a healthy weight, manage stress, don't smoke, don't drink too much of alcohol. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.